Hello everyone, welcome to Red9SysTech. Now we are going to see one of the coding challenge in Java to illustrate the inheritance in Java. Guys, here I have a question here. So let's say we have to create a class called animal with the method, let's say make sound, and it has to print animal makes a sound. And then we have to create two subclasses, dog and cat, that also has to extend animal class. And then we have to override this method make sound in both the subclasses so that like it will print different values in different classes, right? And finally, we have to test this inheritance by creating an object for these two classes, and then we have to call this method. So how to do this? So let's say, as per this question, first of all, we need to create a class called animal, right? So what we can do, I can have a class called animal, and then in that I should have a method, something called make sound, right? Make sound. This is a method, and this method should return void, right? That's it, right? And then I need to print something called animal makes a sound dot, right? So how I can do that? With the help of this out, right? System.out.println. Within that we have to print something like this, animal makes a sound. Okay, now it's good. Now we have to create two subclasses called dog and cat, and that has to override this method. How to do that? Now after this animal class, I can create another class called dog, in which it has to extend animal class, right? Because we need to do extends animal class, right? Here I need to override this method, which is something like @ override. You have to override this one. Okay, so here as per the question, we have to say that dog prints woof. Okay, now we have to print something like woof here. Okay, similarly, we need to create another class, which is something called, what is the question? Cat, right? Cat, and that also has to extend animal class so that these both will become a subclass to animal class. So here we have to print something meow, right? Okay, now let's have this ready. Okay, good. So now we have animal class, we have dog class, we have cat class. Now we have to make sure how we are going to create an object and how we are going to make a call to these methods, right? So what we can do, animal a is equal to animal of, right? And then what you can do, similarly you can create dog b is equal to dog of, okay? And then cat is equal to cat of, right? Now you have to make a call a dot make sound. Similarly, c dot make sound, and then similarly c dot make sound. Let's go and run this program. Here you go. Animal makes a sound woof meow, which means like now you guys can able to see whenever you create an object for animal class, that time like when you make a call to this method, it is printing this one, right? But when you make a call to dogs objects make sound, it is getting overwritten here, right? So this is how basically we are going to inherit the data from parent class to child class. At the same time, you can able to override the data here, right? So I hope you guys have understood the coding for inheritance. If you guys have any questions, please put in the chat window or the comments of this video. And if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up button